Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on two different necklaces, and these necklaces are both purchased off of AliExpress.com. I don't really shop on AliExpress as much as I did in the past because I feel like AliExpress is a lot more known now and a lot of the prices have really went up and it's just ridiculous. I'm not paying like $10 for something overseas when I can just purchase it here. I don't really shop there anymore, but I do shop there if I want something that's pretty unique, something that's not really too common or too popular, or something that I know for a fact is cheaper over there and it just makes sense to get it from over there rather than get it from here. So let's get started with this video so I am not rambling too long and so you guys can hurry up and go purchase you one of these necklaces. So the first necklace that I'm going to show you guys is just this Daesha necklace, and you guys can't really see it that good, so I'm going to be zooming up. And on me it looks like this. I usually wear it and it's usually about this length, so if you guys are thinking about purchasing this name necklace, it is usually about this length, and I wish the chain was longer. I forgot if they even gave you the option on this chain to purchase it like longer or shorter, and this necklace was purchased for only $10. Can you guys believe it? $10 for a name necklace. So what I really like about this name necklace is that I was able to put two hearts, one in the beginning and one in the end. And the only other thing that you guys should definitely know if you think about purchasing this, the seller only lets you do a 10 or 11 letter maximum, so make sure you guys are very aware of that when you are purchasing this, and don't think you're going to get like a super long name, because you're definitely not. You're only going to get a maximum of 11 letters. What's really cute about this necklace is that you can actually do a name, then a heart, then another name, or you don't even have to have the heart if you don't want, but I know a lot of people do have just the name, so I wanted to be a little bit more unique and add two hearts, you know, at the beginning and end of my name. So like I said, for this necklace I only purchased this for $10, and the shipping time took I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks at the most, but I think it was only 2 weeks, which is really good. It came really fast. The only thing that I would say I don't really like about this necklace is that it's not exactly like a gold color. Like, it looks gold and you can play it off as gold, but it kind of looks a little bronzy, and it has not turned my neck any colors or anything like that. I don't get this necklace wet. I don't wear it all day long. I probably wear it one time out of like what, a month, one time out of like 3 weeks. So you know, I don't wear this all the time where it's gonna like turn my neck a different color immediately. I just wear it sometimes. If you guys have any more questions about that necklace, you guys can leave them down below and I will try to answer them for you. I think I answered pretty much everything about the necklace, but if you guys have any more, you know, comments or any more questions, you guys can ask me down below, or you guys can also ask the seller, because the sellers were so nice about this stuff. So you guys can definitely do that if you guys really want to know more information about it. Next necklace that I got is just this bar necklace, and with this necklace I was able to choose the length of it, so I got it a little bit longer, and I think mine's is 18, I forgot, okay, don't quote me. But I actually chose to have the length be 18. I really don't remember like what the whole like measurement was. The chain was really cheap. The chain was only, I think, maybe $8 at the most, $9 at the most. Most of the time I just pair them together, but I do wear them separate if I feel like it. I don't know, it just depends on the outfit. What I really like about this chain is that you can have whatever you want on this chain. You can even have Arabic letters if you want. You can have absolutely anything you want. I got my daughter's name, which is Zariah Renee, with a heart at the end because, you know, of course I love her, so that's why I got it. And then on the back, which is really cool because you can have something written on the back. On the back it just says the day she was born, and I put two hearts next to it. You can also put infinity signs if you guys want, so like you can put your relationship date, so it'll be like, you know, 4/15/09, and you can put like infinity signs, so like that date forever. You can put whatever you absolutely want. Both of the necklaces took 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, which I think is an amazing time, you know, for a necklace that is under $10. Like, that is crazy to even have a necklace under $10 take 2 weeks. And I know some people, you know, get them here in the US and they're like $30 and they take about the same exact time, or they take less time. But you know what, you're buying the same thing in China as you are in the US. They just, of course, in the US are going to charge a lot more. So I would definitely buy the necklaces as a cheap Valentine's Day gift if you guys are thinking about that. Like I said, I will have all of the necklaces linked down below, and I will have a few more for you guys if you guys are interested in buying custom jewelry. And if you guys would like to see any more reviews, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I will definitely do them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.